Ready. Send yourself to the time, you know it's Vybz Kartel representing for Daniel. What me call her my boss lady. And little from this, she'll be my boss baby. Yeah. One guy's about this.
You see I do it here, Vybz?
Yeah, let me see it, man. Tough. I'm not a Disney for go away when they cut. Disney away upon the plane.
And then St. Vincent?
Yeah. Oh shit, this is the island itself. Oh. Yeah, bad like kids. Yeah, man.
Okay, but I have something else for you.
Yeah.
So, I realized that you like to tie your head with the bandanas. So I made like a head. So can we try it on? Because that's the only way you would be able to see it.
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
So I realize that sometimes you like to do this.
Yeah.
What would you say to the critics that would say, how could you have entertained such a controversial dancehall artist?
Well, you know how this started, because you are at the heart of it. You raised the question with me about the possibility of Kartel coming here. His medical condition, and he has a need to further explore. Though you have splendid professionals in Jamaica, he wanted to explore in a different environment. He put Kartel on, and of course he did his joke about world boss and so on. And then he said to me, you know, I have a child with a woman who is the daughter of a Vincentian. And I found that intriguing. The Lord works in mysterious ways, his wonders to perform. Here was a human being who had served 13 years in jail. He was freed by the highest court in the land. And here was his lawyer reaching out and saying, well, what are the possibilities? So it was just a human response that I gave to you.
Yeah, Vybz Kartel, God, big up yourself, Vybz Kartel.
Yeah, Afi free, go.
Afi free,
Dark up straight.
brother. You see that girl named Sidem Afi Apolog, teacher, stick with it. Low black girl. You see a white girl make you free. A white girl power make you free, teacher.
Bravo.
Believe. Yeah, man.
It's a white girl power.
Sidem and one and only Sidem.
No.
My Kartel, you're not that.
I about that teacher.